So the most important thing, Chris, when it comes to driver comfort is definitely the seat, but it's a bit hard to see in here. You know, it's cocooned well inside the car. Can you talk us through, Chris, what really goes into it?
I can do, and as you say, it is quite a long process and quite difficult to see inside here. So we've got one on the bench over here that we can go and have a look at.
Let's go and check it out. I believe this is my seat from this actual car, the last time I drove it.
Yes, it is.
With my insert inside. So this is two-part foam inside. Whose seat was this?
One of Valtteri's race seats. We start off by creating an impression of the driver effectively in a two-part foam chemical.
So can we take this two-part foam seat out?
So there's the comparison between the two, really. That shape would then be 3D scanned, put into CAD. You can then go ahead and create quite nice looking carbon seat.
So you can really see how it's taken away all of those imperfections.
Yeah, the designers can tidy it up quite a lot. They can smooth out the ripples, they can make the seat symmetrical.
So I can see under here actually, look, there's that gap underneath. They've created that on CAD in preparation for the foam to be filled in over the top.
That's right, and that's purely for comfort.
What other things can the driver do when they're stuck in this position?
You are fixed. We've got a little bit of adjustment on these front and rear mounting points, so the height of the seat can be varied. But you can also introduce a little bit of tilt as well, either backwards or forwards. And there's certain racetracks, Monaco is a prime example, where the driver will perhaps choose to sit higher.
Yeah, when it's more about visibility than performance, because you always want to get as low down as possible for centre of gravity, but when that compromises visibility, that wins. I think the fans will be surprised to hear is that the seat doesn't actually get properly bolted into the cockpit. It kind of slots into these pins.
It does, it's not fixed down by itself at all, and that's for extraction purposes if the driver's involved in an accident. But you're right, it's the seat belts that hold the driver into the seat, which is then held into the car.
Thanks, Chris. It's really good explainer, and when we're there watching TV of the drivers getting into their seats, there's a lot more knowledge that people have they can take with them from this. Thanks a lot.
Good, no problem.